Hello, little friends. Welcome to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we are going to learn about a very special letter. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter A. A is the first letter of the alphabet, and it starts so many amazing words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet A. An apple is a round, sweet fruit that comes in many colors like red, green, and yellow. It's crunchy and juicy, making it a tasty and healthy snack. Apples grow on trees and are often picked in the fall. You can eat apples fresh, make apple juice, or bake them into yummy desserts like apple pie. Eating apples helps keep you healthy because they are full of vitamins. Remember the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So, when you see the letter A, think of the delicious apple. An ant is a tiny insect that is usually black or red. Ants live in big groups called colonies and work together to find food and build their homes, which are called ant hills. They are very strong for their size and can carry things that are much bigger than themselves. You might see ants marching in a line, carrying crumbs or leaves back to their nest. Ants are very busy and hardworking, always on the move. So, when you see the letter A, remember the amazing and active ant. An alligator is a big reptile with a long, strong body and a powerful tail. It has tough, scaly skin and sharp teeth. Alligators live in rivers, lakes, and swamps, mostly in warm places. They are excellent swimmers and can move quickly in the water. Alligators eat fish, birds, and other small animals. They have a loud roar and like to sunbathe on the banks of rivers. Baby alligators hatch from eggs and stay close to their mother for protection. When you see the letter A, think of the awesome alligator. An angelfish is a beautiful, colorful fish that lives in warm ocean waters and aquariums. It has a flat, disc-shaped body with long, flowing fins that make it look like an angel gliding through the water. Angelfish come in many bright colors and patterns, like stripes and spots. They eat small plants and tiny animals in the water. In an aquarium, angelfish need clean water and lots of space to swim. They are fun to watch as they gracefully move around. When you see the letter A, think of the amazing and elegant angelfish. An Arctic fox is a small, furry animal that lives in the cold, snowy regions of the Arctic. It has thick, white fur in the winter to keep warm and blend in with the snow. In the summer, its fur changes to brown or gray. Arctic foxes have bushy tails, pointed ears, and small bodies that help them stay warm. They eat small animals, birds, and even plants. They are excellent hunters and can survive in freezing temperatures. When you see the letter A, think of the Arctic fox, an adorable and adaptable animal. An Arctic hare is a special rabbit that lives in the icy Arctic regions. It has thick, white fur in the winter to keep warm and hide in the snow. In the summer, its fur turns gray or brown to blend in with the rocks and plants. Arctic hares have long ears, strong back legs for jumping, and big feet that help them move easily on the snow. They eat plants, like leaves and berries, even in the harsh cold. Arctic hares are very fast and can escape from predators quickly. When you see the letter A, think of the amazing Arctic hare. An Amur leopard is a rare and beautiful big cat that lives in the forests of eastern Russia and China. It has thick, spotted fur that helps it blend in with its surroundings. This leopard is known for its incredible speed and agility, making it a skilled hunter. It can leap great distances and climb trees with ease. The Amur leopard is one of the most endangered animals in the world, with only a few left in the wild. It eats deer and small animals. When you see the letter A, think of the amazing and agile Amur leopard. An alarm clock is a device that helps you wake up on time. It has a clock face with numbers and hands that show the time. You can set the alarm to ring, beep, or play music at a specific time you choose. When the alarm goes off, it makes a loud sound to wake you up. Some alarm clocks have buttons to stop or snooze the alarm, letting you sleep a little longer. They come in many shapes and colors. When you see the letter A, think of the alarm clock, a helpful tool to start your day. An armchair is a comfy chair with supports, called arms, on each side. It has a cushioned seat, backrest, and sometimes soft padding on the arms. Armchairs are great for sitting and relaxing, reading a book, or watching TV. They come in many styles, colors, and sizes, often matching other furniture in the room. Some armchairs even have a reclining feature, allowing you to lean back and put your feet up. When you see the letter A, think of the armchair, a cozy place to sit and unwind. An ashtray is a small, shallow dish used to hold ashes and cigarette butts. It's usually made of glass, metal, or ceramic. Ashtrays often have little grooves on the edges to rest cigarettes or cigars. People use ashtrays to keep their surroundings clean when they smoke. They come in different shapes, sizes, and designs. While it's important to know what an ashtray is, it's also good to remember that smoking is unhealthy. When you see the letter A, think of the ashtray, but also think about making healthy choices. An apron is a piece of clothing you wear over your clothes to keep them clean while cooking, painting, or doing crafts. It usually has straps that go around your neck and tie around your waist. Aprons have pockets to hold tools or utensils, making it easy to keep everything you need close by. They come in different colors, patterns, and sizes, often with fun designs. Wearing an apron helps protect your clothes from spills and stains. When you see the letter A, think of the apron, a handy item that helps keep you neat and tidy. An aquarium is a clear tank or container filled with water where fish and other water animals live. People set up aquariums to enjoy watching colorful fish swim and explore. Inside an aquarium, you might see plants, rocks, and decorations that create a natural environment for the fish. Aquariums can be small enough for a desk or large enough to fill a whole room. They need special equipment like filters and lights to keep the water clean and healthy. When you see the letter A, think of the aquarium, a fascinating underwater world you can enjoy at home. An antenna is a special device that helps send and receive signals for TVs, radios, and other electronic devices. It can look like a thin rod, a dish, or a wire. Antennas pick up invisible signals from the air and turn them into pictures, sounds, or data. You might see antennas on rooftops, cars, or even on toys like remote-controlled cars. They help you watch your favorite TV shows, listen to music on the radio, or talk on your cell phone. When you see the letter A, think of the antenna, a magical tool that connects us to the world. An avocado is a green fruit with a creamy texture and a big seed in the middle. It has a bumpy, dark green or black skin that you peel off to eat the soft, green inside. Avocados are very healthy and full of good fats, vitamins, and minerals. You can slice them up for salads, mash them into guacamole, or spread them on toast. They grow on trees in warm places and are a favorite food for many people. When you see the letter A, think of the avocado, a tasty and nutritious fruit. Almonds are small, oval-shaped nuts that are brown on the outside and white inside. They grow on trees and are a healthy snack. Almonds can be eaten raw, roasted, or even used to make almond milk. They are crunchy and have a mild, nutty flavor. Almonds are good for you because they have vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that help keep your body strong. You might see almonds in cookies, cakes, or trail mix. When you see the letter A, think of almonds, a delicious and nutritious nut. Asparagus is a green vegetable that looks like long, skinny stalks. It has a crunchy texture and a mild, slightly sweet flavor. Asparagus grows in the ground and is usually picked when the stalks are young and tender. It can be cooked by steaming, grilling, or roasting, and is often eaten as a side dish or added to salads and soups. Asparagus is very healthy and full of vitamins and minerals. When you see the letter A, think of asparagus, a tasty and nutritious vegetable that helps keep you strong and healthy. An artichoke is a big, green vegetable that looks like a spiky flower bud. It has many layers of thick, leafy petals that you need to peel away to get to the tasty part inside. The part you eat is the tender heart at the center, and you can cook artichokes by steaming or boiling them. They have a unique, nutty flavor and are often used in salads or dips. Artichokes are also very healthy and full of vitamins and minerals. When you see the letter A, think of the artichoke, a special and yummy vegetable. Arugula is a leafy green vegetable that looks a bit like spinach but has a unique, peppery flavor. It has dark green, slightly jagged leaves and is often used in salads. Arugula is crunchy and adds a zesty taste to dishes. It grows in cool weather and is very healthy, packed with vitamins and minerals. People also use arugula in sandwiches, wraps, or as a topping on pizza. When you see the letter A, think of arugula, a tasty and nutritious green that makes meals extra delicious. An apricot is a small, orange fruit that is sweet and juicy. It has a smooth, soft skin and a big pit in the middle. Apricots can be eaten fresh or dried, and they make tasty snacks or can be used in desserts like pies and jams. They are also very healthy, packed with vitamins and minerals that help keep you strong. Apricots grow on trees and are usually ready to eat in the summer. When you see the letter A, think of the apricot, a delicious and nutritious fruit. An anorak is a special type of jacket that keeps you warm and dry in cold and rainy weather. It has a hood to protect your head and a front pocket to keep small things safe. Anoraks are usually made from waterproof materials to keep the rain out. They often have zippers or buttons to close up and keep the wind from getting in. You might wear an anorak when you go hiking, camping, or playing outside on a chilly day. When you see the letter A, think of the anorak, a cozy jacket for any adventure. An athletic shoe is a special type of shoe designed for sports and exercise. It has a strong, cushioned sole that helps protect your feet and give you good grip on different surfaces. Athletic shoes are usually made of breathable materials to keep your feet cool and comfortable. They come in many colors and styles, perfect for running, playing soccer, or jumping in gym class. Some have laces or Velcro straps to keep them snug on your feet. When you see the letter A, think of the athletic shoe, a great partner for fun and fitness. An airplane is a big flying machine that carries people and cargo through the sky. It has large wings and powerful engines that help it lift off the ground and soar high above. Airplanes can travel long distances quickly, taking us to different cities or even countries. Inside, there are seats for passengers, and it has windows so you can look out and see the clouds below. When the airplane lands, it uses wheels to touch down safely. When you see the letter A, think of the airplane, a fascinating vehicle that makes flying fun and exciting. An automobile, or car, is a vehicle that helps people travel from one place to another. It has 4 wheels and an engine that makes it move. Inside, you'll find seats for passengers and a steering wheel that helps the driver control where the car goes. Cars come in many shapes and colors, and they can be small like a compact car or big like an SUV. They drive on roads and highways, making it easier to go to school, visit friends, or go on trips. When you see the letter A, think of the automobile, a cool way to get around. An ambulance is a special vehicle used to help people who are sick or hurt. It has a loud siren that sounds like "Vee-woo" to let other cars know it needs to go quickly. Inside, there are medical tools and a stretcher to take care of patients and help them get to the hospital. Ambulances are often brightly colored with red and white or other eye-catching patterns so they can be seen easily. They drive fast and safely to get to emergencies. When you see the letter A, think of the ambulance, an important vehicle that helps people in need.